Arabic Alphabet Part 1, Lesson number 2. Today I'll be introducing to you the next 6 letters of Arabic alphabet. Let's get into it. Lesson number 2 will cover the next 6 letters, starting with Ha. The letter that you see there is called Ha. You pronounce it by pushing air from your throat. Ha. Ha. The next letter, similar to Ha, but this one has got a dot on top. And this one is called Ha. 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 You make that sound from your throat. Ha. And the next letter is Dhāl. Very simple letter. Dhāl, short and nice. Dhāl. And the next letter, similar to Dhāl, but this one has got a dot on top. And this one is called Dhāl. 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 The next letter is Ra. Ra. Just Ra. And the last letter for today is called Za or Za'un. Zay. Za, similar to Ra, but the Za will have a dot on top, and that makes it a Za. So it is very, very important that we always look for these dots, the markings on top of our letters to determine which letter is it. Okay, let's look at examples on how these letters sound in English. So here we have Ha. The Ha is pronounced as Ha'un or Ha, which is like H, sounds like H in English. Then you've got Ha. Ha is K-H-A, Ha'un or Ha. In English, it's K-H. Okay, so that's how it sounds in English. Then the next letter is Dhāl. Dhāl or Dhālun. Dhāl sounds more like D. Then the next letter is Dhāl. The Dhāl, pronounced D-H-A-L, Dhāl. Dhāl, D-H, Dhāl. Then the next letter is Ra. Ra, Ra'un, just pronounces mostly similar to R. Ra, R. And the last one on this sequence is Za. Zay or Zayun. Zayun. Pronounced mostly, sounds more like a Z in English. So this is how you identify these letters going forward. Now, we're going to recap. Let's recap all the letters that we have learned so far to make sure that we understand these letters from the beginning to the end. So we start with Aleph. Now, you're going to repeat after me. Aleph. Aleph. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Ha. Dal. Dhal. Ra. Za. Alif. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Ha. Dal. Dhal. Ra. Za. Repeat these letters more and more so that you can get used to them, so that you can identify also how they differ. We have come to the end of this lesson today. I would like to see you in the next lesson coming. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.